In this video, I'll show you how to change accounts or switch profiles in Amazon Prime Video. If you want to completely switch to a different Amazon account, the first step is to sign out. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign Out, and then sign in again with the new account credentials. But if you just want to switch profiles within the same account, it's even easier. Click on your profile picture, and you'll see all your available profiles listed. Simply click on the profile you want to switch to, for example, your personal profile or the kids' profile. You can also add a new profile if you want to keep your recommendations and watch history separate. Just click Add New Profile, type a name, and then click Save Changes. It will now appear in your list of available profiles. And that's it. You can now switch between profiles or accounts in Amazon Prime Video easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Prime Video guides.